2 of you want to work on a laptop and 2 of you want to work over here, and then y'all can compare. Because y'all don't have to trace it on the paper. Y'all can do everything on the computer. Okay? Yes. If you have patty paper in your container, then you can trace on patty paper. If you don't, then you're using one of the other tools. Okay, so y'all have never seen, y'all ever used a mirror before? Okay, it's for reflection. So let's just use one of your pieces of paper. Put it, like you have this beveled edge. Do you see? It's kind of beveled right there. Go ahead and put that edge on one side of your triangle. And just look through it and see what happens. Check it out, yeah. So if you look through it, so look from there over into here. See, you can see the other stuff. And so for each idea, you could put it and find the midpoint using that, if you can figure out a way to do that, using that, the ability to reflect.
Instead of folding.
Isn't that cool? They're Myras. That's at least how I say it. It is a compass. How do you think you would use it? Okay, you have this. Oh, Anna, can you tell him? Okay, so you can use, and if y'all want to use the different types of compass, you can see which one works easier for you. Okay, now where would the center be? Where would you want to put a point to hold it? Like if you were going to position that, where's the center of that compass? Yeah, so you're going to want to put it in there and then open it up. Or you can use the compass, whichever compass you want. But this one is going to hold, like you know how the other ones squeeze, open, and shut on you, and that can be frustrating? This one is going to lock because you can put it in, and then you can put your pencil wherever you want, and you can make parts with it. If you put a point on there, and then flip it over so it's flat. No, it's not. You had it better. If you do that, so you put your pencil in there. You can do that, and it won't open and close on you. You okay, Anna? See, look through. You can see the reflection. And so you're going to be able to use the fact that you can reflect with that to do your constructions. You just have to figure out how to use it. Isn't that cool?
That is good.
See, now that you've measured that one to get your idea, let's see if you can figure out how to use that Myra, if y'all can figure that out together to get that midpoint. And you can move it around different ways. Are you trying to match the whole triangle, or are you trying to match a segment?
I don't know. That would be amazing. Yeah, the spread paper doesn't weigh that much.
The vertex.
So we just draw it again.
Yeah.
What do y'all think? Do y'all think she's right?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Does it match? Try it on the one, Grace, that you already did, and see if Cece's way works. If it ends up kind of matching what you did when you measured. Okay, so did y'all talk about it?
Yeah. Like, we put it in the side where the median is.
Okay, well, what is a median?
Yeah, that's it. We were thinking it was the middle point of the segment.
Okay, so the middle point of the segment, what's that called? Okay, the midpoint, and what's the median? What does it have to do with the midpoint? Okay, well, so does anybody remember? You could look it up, couldn't you?
It's a segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle.
Okay, so what do you need to do? Did you do that? Okay, so you found the midpoint, then what do you need to do? Where's the opposite vertex? What do y'all think? Is that a vertex that Tyler's pointing to? All right, well, okay, so but think about it. So Tyler, read that definition again.
It is a segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle.
Okay, so from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side.
Vertex is a point with the intersect.
Okay. So does that help? Okay, well, let's try that. And if you need to, you have enough folding paper, you have enough patty paper. If you have too many lines on there, you can do it again so that it's okay. Okay. Well, did you notice anything about the lines? They're what? Okay, did everybody notice that idea? Okay. What two triangles? Oh, the two triangles that you have because y'all did different computers. Okay. Well, does the same relationship happen on both of your triangles? So these are perpendicular bisectors? What is a perpendicular bisector? Can it go through the middle of a line? Okay, what was the term again? Okay, so what does bisect mean? So what does that? What bisects a segment? Or do you have any? You can have a line. You can have what else? Array. Okay. Is there any other kind of object that you have that sits on a segment in the middle of it?